Hey peeps, Kemal Malcolm here, Jamaican International, and you're watching Eddy's Vision. Like, share, and subscribe.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now I know that you see the title of the video and the thumbnail. I just want to ask, who should be Jamaica's left back? For me, it has to be Amari Bell. I know there's other options in Greg Lay and other options from the JPL. But for me, I think he adds something much different that Greg Lee doesn't have. I know Greg Lee has the power, but Amari has the pace and the composure and the know-how. So for me, Amari Bell. Luton Town defender Amari Bell has played in the vast majority of his team's championship matches in the 2021-22 season, making 43 appearances overall and accumulating 3,761 minutes of playing time. He started in 42 of these appearances across the 48 fixtures and come on as a substitute only on one occasion. Bell has appeared in a league game on May 16, playing 90 minutes for Luton Town versus Huddersfield Town in a 1-0 defeat. In total, the defender has notched one championship goal in 2021-22 and chipped in with 2 assists. He has been booked 3 times. So a very disciplined defender. That's what I like about him. And as you can see, 3 yellow cards for the entire season. That's very good. He's not the one to get caught out of position and have to be making silly challenges, which would be leading to cards. So that's one plus for us. He has a very high IQ, I believe, and that's always something important in his team. He has a lot of experience playing in the championship, almost making it to the Premier League, losing out in the playoff, but he had a great season for Luton Town, and he's always a player that is always improving. And I believe that now is the time for Paul Hall to have a settled backline, and I can say Bell being a part of that. I know we're looking at players, but we've looked at Greg Lee, we looked at other local players, and I think that Bell is now the man. I think that Taxi has retired, so there's no major competition for Bell. I don't think it's a spot that we have problems in. Greg Lee could be a great backup for Bell. So going forward, we need a settled backline. I definitely think that Bell should be a part of that. While we have a lot of problems at right back with the likes of Javier Brown, Jimenez, Havas, Powell, Fisher, you name it, there's not a lot of quality there, experienced players. But I think at left back, we definitely don't have that problem. It's a pity that Amari Bell cannot go over and play on the right hand side. But I think he can play as a centre back, but not as a right back. So definitely over the left hand side. It's more secured. We have faith in Bell over that side. So guys, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that Amari Bell is our number 1 left back? Or do you see somebody else taking his spot? Maybe a Greg Lee. Let me know in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.